You can't outrun what's inside you. You can build a 6-figure business, a perfect marriage, and the best body in the world, but you are carrying resentments. Trust me, I tried to outrun my past with money, success, distraction, but wherever I went, there I was, showing up again. I wasn't free until I faced the pain I buried. And once I did, I finally started living free. If this hits, my workshop was made for you. The link's in the description. It's the Unchained Resentment Workshop. 3 steps to release your resentment. You won't regret it.